Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now select your language from the list of available ones and click on Save. Then tap on Continue twice and click on Start. After that, you need to close an app, and then you can close your launcher app. Now go into Devices Settings, click on Apps, select Default Apps, and click on Home app. To apply iOS launcher, you need to click on it over here. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully applied. If you want to change some of its settings, you can always do that by accessing Launcher app again, closing all ads, selecting Allow in the pop-up, and managing all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!